Gaming. Well, hold on, guys, not again. So, what I was saying, this is Isaiah Gaming. Well, we're playing a car game today. It's a race with cars inside it, so let's press play. Now we're gonna press this one and that one. So guys, we're gonna stay on the road. We're staying on the road. Cause we don't want anyone to kick us. No way we don't want anyone to kick us. Hold on, guys, hold on. I just sneeze. I'm gonna pause the video for a minute. Sorry, guys. It was just a cough. After that, I'll maybe play Roblox or something. Dang, guys, that was a big car. We're gonna see the other one now. Hold on, guys.
It's Nissan's truck month today, and save.
So, guys, I hope I get stuff right. After that, I'm gonna do our movie. I'm going to. I still got to go to 60 coins. So, guys, this is gonna be the end of the. Guys, I'm gonna pick this one. It's cool. Then, guys, after this one, I'm gonna end the video. Because I'm staying on the road. So, guys, I hope I do my best job to survive. Oh, guys, if you didn't know, Jacob just changed his Roblox person. He looks like a person with no hat or anything. So, that's crazy. You better go check him out. He's like crazy. Right, guys. So, I think when this race is over, hold on, guys. Still got to go. So guys, this is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, press notifications when I upload a new video. So yeah, see you in the next video of Roblox or car games. Okay, guys.